November 30th, 2020 review. Complete the ratio table, then plot the points. So we need to use this sentence here. It says each bracelet is going to require 12 beads. So for one bracelet, how many beads does it require? How many beads do we need? 12. So each bracelet requires 12 beads. All right, so let's finish our table here. So if I have 2 bracelets, well, that's going to have another 12 beads, so then total would be 24 beads. So look, we're adding 12 each time. 3 bracelets, well, we need another 12 beads, so then it'd be 36. Or you can take a look and you can say, oh, we're going from 1 to 12, we're multiplying by 12. 2 times 12, 24. 3 bracelets of each of requiring 12 beads, so 3 times 12, 36. 4 times 12, 48. 5 times 12, 60. All right, so with our ordered pair now, we're gonna take a look at our graph over here. So making bracelets, our x coordinate, remember, x is gonna be the horizontal line and y is the vertical line. So horizontally, side to side, our line is bracelets. So the x-axis is going to be bracelets. So the first one in each of these is going to be the bracelet. So bracelet is going to be 1, and then beads, you'd go up to 12. 1 and 12. All right, now we have 2 bracelets requiring 24 beads. The next one, we have 3 bracelets requiring 36 beads. 4 bracelets requiring 48 beads. Ooh. And 5 bracelets requiring 60 beads. Now let's plot them. So this is 30, so let's see. What do you think these intervals go by? If they go by 10, 10, 20, 30, not quite, maybe 5s? 5, 10, 15, 20, well, no. What about 6? 6, 12, 24, or I'm sorry, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Yeah, so each of these intervals are going up by 6. So the first one, we're going to plot them. So we're going to go over to 1, and then we're going to go up to 12. So this will be 6, and then we'll have 12 here. Over 2, up to 24. Over 2, up 24. So 6, 12, 18, 24. Over 3, up to 36. So we're going to go 3 on our x-axis. 36. So we have 30, and then another 6 would be 36. 4 and 48. X is 4, so we're going to go over to 4. And up to 48, so 36, 42, 48. If you notice a pattern, we're kind of going over 1, up 2 from each one. So hopefully this goes up here. So over to 5, up to 60. And there we go. And that is going to be it for our plotting. Yay! Great job!